Well, folks, good evening. Yeah, it was a balmy day across much of the area, part of much of the state today. Yeah, we had high temperatures into the low to mid 70s. Absolutely gorgeous day. And shorts and flip-flops. Yeah, it was that kind of weather, but big time changes are on the way. I mean, you've come to expect it, though. I think we've pretty much learned over the course of this winter, if it's 70 degrees today, where your chances are it's gonna freeze up quickly, and we're gonna see winter weather the next day. So, always works out. It always works out in this state, especially across the states. So I mean, who knows? What do you expect? I mean, you get 4 seasons all in 1 week. We had one day. I can't remember what day it was. It was a Tuesday, Wednesday. We had a temperature around 80 degrees, and all in 1 week we're going to see that between that now and wintry weather come tomorrow. So yeah, it works out, guys. I know you guys love the warm weather. I don't blame you. I love snow too, but it's just getting a little bit ridiculous. I think we should be. It was already a good winter, Mother Nature. You made your point. Let's just go to spring now. But Mother Nature's like, no way. And Old Man Winter's like, oh, no way, Jose. So, it is what it is. Well, let's head on inside. I know it's 50 degrees. I'm wearing shorts, so I looked a little bit ridiculous, but I'm just trying to illustrate the contrast between today and tomorrow. So, let's go back inside for you. And, okay. Close the garage door. See? That's a beauty. Watching a movie downstairs, as part of my family is. And making my way up to my room. I'm actually stationed up here in my room, in this room, because my sister is currently home on spring break from college, so change stations for a little bit. Alright, guys, let's take a look. Let's get settled here. Let's take a look at your radar. You can see this is our system, and this is our system that will be affecting us right here. Alright, will be our system right here. You can see in this early developing stages. This piece of energy will phase with this area of low pressure. This area will develop into a pretty formidable area of low pressure, and will track on through this way. So it will bring us some wintry weather. It looks to be pretty much on track, though, from what I've seen. So, and it brings some heavy rain, some severe weather to portions of Texas, northern Texas. And also, this piece of energy brings some light snow. Snow's on over to the upper Midwest. Of course, those two areas will phase together and form into a formidable area of low pressure and track into the lower middle Atlantic. So that's the deal. And let's take a look at your current model guidance. And this is the model guidance, and basically, this line right here, this is basically the rain snow line now, because surface temperatures will be below freezing for most of the event. This is the temperatures in the upper levels right now. You're looking at those lines. This is the 0 degrees Celsius line, so watch that line. Richmond's right around here, right around that line at the point of onset. Yes, thank you. I'm aware my battery is about to run out. You can see right here, that precip begins moving. That line moves a little bit further north, and you note that. And there could be some sleet, maybe even a little bit of rain initially to start for the onset of precipitation. And, but places north of that, you guys will see snow down towards maybe as far south as Roanoke, up towards Stanton, Harrisonburg, Charlottesville, maybe Charlottesville up towards D.C. They'll stay all snow through the whole event. You can see that line begins to dip south a little bit, lined up right across Richmond. Places north seeing snow, places along this line probably seeing a sleet snow mix. So it probably will be stuck in that for a little bit. And these are some pretty impressive snowfall rates that be depicted by this model. And most models are depicting this. Some heavy snowfall moving through the area. And you can see, especially as we move on in through the wee hours of the morning when we're all asleep, some heavy snow developing. You can see some very nice bands of snow developing across central and north. And that 0 degrees Celsius line just southeast of Richmond. So places like Williamsburg, Emporia, those areas, maybe southeast Virginia, that you guys will be seeing some sleet or maybe mixing in with some snow. And then as we move on through the day, we changed Richmond is snowing, is basically snowing in most of Richmond. And we move on, it's still snowing and mixing in southern and southeast Virginia. And we pretty much end the event. And I do want to point out this extra feature right here. See this low pressure down in Florida? Whoops, let me get the pointer. Yeah, see this low pressure right here? This is our secondary low, upper level low. That'll be moving into the area. And it could bring us a quick period of some wintry mix, some sleet, maybe before changing over to some rain. Maybe changing over to some rain. So we'll see what happens. Okay, guys, now let's go to, but again, you know, it's a little bit far out to say exactly what will happen, so a lot of uncertainty with this second low. So I'm initially worried about the first blow. So let's take a look at your map and our snowfall forecast, and you can see Lexington, Stanton, Charlottesville, Waynesboro, Harrisonburg, on up towards not far from Winchester, Front Royal. I'm expecting the jackpot of snow to fall here, 8 to 10 inches. No, you saw the heavier bands up there. That's where I'm expecting the heaviest snow to fall, 8 to 10 inches, and you guys will stay off snow, no problem. 6 to 8 inches down in as you head on through, let's say,